Holy f***ing shit. Lowbrow Custom. Beep, beep.
All right, everybody, it's time for another one of Todd's Tech Tip Quickies from America's favorite moto guru, Todd.
Hey guys, today I want to show you these awesome Lowbrow Customs throttle controls we have available on lowbrowcustoms.com. These are really awesome. They're for single cable operation. These are a Lowbrow Customs exclusive, not found anywhere else. They are made in the US of A. We have them in 3 different finishes. We have black anodized, we have brass, and we have aluminum. I'm fairly certain that if you want a shiny one, you can probably sand this with some 1500 sandpaper, hit it on your buffing wheel, and you'd have a real shiny throttle real quick like. These are for single cable operation. They will work with CV, they will work with S&S. They will require a throttle cable that is pre-96. In 1996, they went to a push fit. You have to have a threaded end on your throttle cable in order to use these, and it needs to be 5/16 18. There are some other throttle cables out there that are going to be 1/4-20. That's going to be the throttle idle cable. That's not going to work. So when you're picking your cable on the website, you want to look for one that says up to 95, 5/16 18 threaded end. We'll show you how easily that'll thread into the throttle control. Look at that. Just like butter. No problem. Easy to install, easy to adjust. Very high quality, awesome throttle controls. I use these on any Harley I'm working on, and you should use it on your Harley too. So head on over to lowbrowcustoms.com, check out these throttle controls. We got them available now. Woo!
Todd's Tech Tip Quickies.